Welcome back, everyone. Today, we are going to talk about something that can completely change your English speaking skills. The topic is why you must talk in English every day. If you want to become fluent in English, if you want to speak confidently without fear, and if you want to improve your pronunciation and communication skills, then this video is for you. Many English learners spend years studying grammar, memorizing vocabulary, and watching English videos. But still, they struggle to speak fluently. Why does this happen? Because English is not just a subject. English is a skill, and like every skill, you improve only when you practice consistently. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. You cannot learn it just by reading books or watching tutorials. You must actually ride the bicycle every day. In the same way, you must speak English every day if you want to become fluent. Even if you know thousands of English words, it will not help unless you use them in real conversations. Daily speaking practice trains your brain to think in English. And this is the key to fluency. At first, speaking English may feel difficult. You may make mistakes. You may forget words. Sometimes you may feel shy or nervous. But that is completely normal. Every fluent English speaker was once a beginner. The important thing is to keep speaking. Do not wait for perfect grammar. Do not wait for perfect pronunciation. Fluency comes from practice, not perfection. When you speak English every day, many amazing things begin to happen. First, your confidence improves. You stop being afraid of speaking in front of people. You become more comfortable expressing your thoughts in English. Second, your vocabulary becomes stronger. When you use words daily, you remember them naturally. Your brain stores them more effectively, because you are using them in real situations. Third, your pronunciation gets better. The more you speak, the more your mouth becomes familiar with English sounds. Slowly, your speaking becomes clearer and smoother. And fourth, you start thinking in English. This is one of the biggest signs of fluency. Instead of translating from your native language, your mind begins to create sentences directly in English. Now you may ask, how can I practice English every day? The good news is that you do not need expensive classes or foreign friends to improve your English. You can practice anywhere and anytime. For example, you can talk to yourself in English. Yes, self-talk is very powerful. Describe your daily activities in English. You can say things like, I am making breakfast. I am going to work. Today I feel happy. Simple sentences practiced every day can create huge improvement over time. You can also practice by reading English aloud. When you read aloud, you improve your pronunciation, speaking rhythm, and confidence. Another great method is shadowing. Listen to native English speakers from YouTube videos, podcasts, or movies, and repeat exactly what they say. Copy their pronunciation, intonation, and speaking style. This technique is extremely powerful for fluency. And remember, consistency is more important than long study hours. Speaking English for just 10 or 15 minutes every day is better than studying for 3 hours once a week. Small daily practice creates big results. Let me tell you something important. Mistakes are not your enemy. Mistakes are your teachers. Every time you make a mistake, you learn something new. So never feel embarrassed when speaking English. The people who improve fastest are usually the people who are not afraid to make mistakes. Confidence grows through action. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Also, try to surround yourself with English every day. Watch English videos. Listen to English songs. Follow English-speaking YouTube channels. Change your phone language to English. Create an English environment around you. This helps your brain become familiar with the language naturally. And one more important thing, be patient with yourself. Fluency does not happen overnight. Learning English is a journey. Some days you will feel motivated. Some days you may feel frustrated. But never give up. Even slow progress is still progress. Remember this: every sentence you speak makes you better. Every conversation makes you stronger. Every day of practice brings you closer to fluency. So starting today, make a promise to yourself. Speak English every single day. Even if it is only for a few minutes. Because daily practice is the real secret to speaking fluent English confidently. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video and want more English speaking practice, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep improving your English every day. See you in the next video.